Welcome to the 6 o'clock evening news. I'm Spencer Merriam.
I'm Brandi Freeman.
And tonight we're talking about global entry. Global entry is an innovative new technology that brings airport efficiency to a whole new level. It's a revolutionary new fingerprint scanner to check each individual passenger as opposed to waiting in line to show your ID with your boarding pass. The idea is simple yet efficient. They use biometric scanners to accurately scan your fingerprints.
Each passenger pays a $100 non-refundable application fee, which puts you into the system. Everyone that applies must undergo a thorough background check to ensure safety. Global entry is, as you would guess, international. It is being introduced to several more countries in years to come. It is already in North America, Netherlands, United Kingdom, and other countries in Europe.
For those traveling internationally, global entry allows them to save time at airports. They no longer have to fill out tedious immigration forms, and it's a one-stop shop for application procedure.
At Jacksonville International Airport, global entry or any other biometric fingerprint scanner is not yet an option. So each passenger must plan on arriving roughly 2 hours prior to their flight because Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, checkpoint can sometimes take up to an hour.
The benefit to using global entry is time efficiency. Everyone that's boarding flights is always rushing to get to their last second flight before they miss it or if they have to check in. Global entry allows you to save at least an hour of time just so you don't have to stand in line to check your boarding pass. We'll show you out in the field a real live example with Kyle Hicks, who's out in the field right now.
Thanks, Spencer. Kyle Hicks here at Orlando International Airport, one of the newest locations of the global entry kiosks. Opposed to long waits and lines, as you'll see at many airports that are still running personal inventory systems, the new kiosk is a simple touch, scan of the retina, and you're processed and off to your baggage claim.
Welcome back, and thanks, Kyle.
If you choose to go with global entry, the $100 fee at the beginning keeps you in for 5 years with no other additional fees. The biometric technology brought to the airport is installed by BASIC. BASIC, also known as Biometric Airport Security Identification Consortium, is a company which was put together to implement the best way to integrate these biometric scanners in airports through kiosks. This technology can also be implemented in other business fields. Companies with numerous employees can use these to clock in and out with zero fraud potential.
SmartGate is a strictly international version of the same product between New Zealand and Australia, which has been successful in the past. Nexus is a North American rival of the global entry system from Canada to the US. Global Card is for anywhere in the world where the kiosks are.
So whichever company you choose to go with, biometric scanners are quick, efficient, and soon to be the new way of getting through airport customs. So,
the system is designed to test if you are who you say you are. Global entry is your ticket out of the line.
So that wraps up this week's edition of the 6 o'clock